So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you a basic appearance and some techniques to make your product look good, right? And stand out the among all the product. So uh, we will start as I have designed a GTR 35, as you can see. So some small details catch our eyes, right? So for that, what should we do, and how should we proceed to the appearance, how to apply the appearance, how to apply the scenes, and how to split these surfaces to decorate our product, look good, right? Look great. Okay. So I'm going to take you through the first. As I have designed the car, it was all in the this one without any appearance, but then I have applied the some appearance to make it a Black Panther edition. As you can see, I have applied a Black Panther face on it, so it looks very aggressive. Now before we start, I just want to go to one operation which is very important for that designing. So let's say I'm creating one block over here. Now this block, you have to create a very beautiful line over here. You have to separate these two parts, two portions, right? So what should we do? So whatever portion and whatever shape you want, first you sketch on the face, and then you take a spline or any curves for that. I prefer style spline for the very accurate curves on that, right? So something like this I am doing, and you can stretch this to adjust the curves. It is better than the normal spline. Okay, you can add more control points over it also. Okay, we will exit the sketch. Now if you can see, my sketch has been created and my product is there. Now I will go to the mesh modeling, and I will select the split line, right? So it will directly, we don't use now seal out or intersection now. We are using only projection method. So automatically sketch will get selected. Now on which part you want to separate. So let's say this face and this face both in single direction. Okay, single direction. If you want to apply on the opposite direction also, so you want to click, you have to click the reverse direction. Okay, for now I don't have any parts from this for this side, so I will untick the reverse direction for now. So I'm done with the split line. As you can see, my part has been split into two components. The same operation I have done in a GTR for a Black Panther face. So I will I will close this part, as now I don't need that. Now for this Black Panther part, what I have done, let me show you something very good portion. Okay, so these are my split line, whereas my extrude, yes, yeah. So as you can see from the side also, the Black Panther is curvy. The Black Panther face is also curvy. So for that, now I will select my boss extrude, and as you can see, I have the sketch for this, and I have a sketch picture. I have taken this photo from the internet and imported in this about the car in this plane, as you can see. Now if I exit the sketch and my roll bar I want to take at this. So as you can see, I have extruded the Black Panther logo up to this surface. If I edit this, so whatever the shape you want, you can just extrude it to the surface, and you are good to go. Now I just take the step. Wait, my rollback bar should be on the bottom line now. And if you see the sketch from the side view, I have drawn this type of sketch. Okay, so these are some basic understanding you must have for the better design. And also the same split line I have used to create these arrows to make this car look very aggressive. Okay, so on all the parts I have done. Now if you want to apply the appearance, you just have to go to task pane and go to the appearance and scenes. Okay, you can do this from the upper side as well. So whatever face you want, you can just select and right click, and you can change the appearance. Like if you are applying on a single body, overall component, or overall face, right? So you can do that. If I want to remove this appearance, what you can do, remove all parts appearance. Okay, so it will continue. As you can see, my car having no appearance for now. So let's say on this portion I want to apply the raid. So what you can do, that you have many options from this task pane. Let's say I would choose a glass, a very thick glass, and which can be applied over here. So I will do the face or this body. Now this looks good. Okay, now rear thick glass. On this face I will apply the thick glass. Okay, as a green. Okay, I might be building the Hulk edition now by applying greens only. Okay, but no problem. And now I will select the metal, and whatever metal will look good in the reflection, let's say shiny galvanized, I will apply for this portion. Now as you can see, it will come different in a rendering, but for now you can just click the real view graphics on. So as you can see how beautiful it looks, like the reflection and all. So this is the so in the same way you can apply the appearance. You can just select the surfaces and you can apply. So if I want to copy this appearance, what should I do? I will just click on the face and right click, and I will select the copy appearance, and whatever surface I want, on whatever surface the same appearance I want, I will select those faces and I will paste the appearance here. So the same appearance will come to these faces only, right? So that's how you can apply the appearance on that. So same way you can try yours also. My favorite is a neon light, which can be applied over here. So I will go to the lights and neon tube, and on the neon tube I will select the I will select the yellow one. Okay, so that's how you can select those. Okay, my real view graphics is on. Ambient occlusion is yes on. Okay, now I will take you to some advanced part of it. Let's say scenes. So if you want to change the background, so I have some basic scenes over this. Okay, so what should I use? Let me select. Let's say I'm applying this one 3 point. Okay, so whatever you want to apply, if it will come here, and you can adjust your background also. And if you want to change the change according to your need, like whatever personal change you want to do, so what you can do, you can just go to open, and in this folder you can add your photo or JPEG file. So it will be available over here, so you can just drag it and apply over here, so it will come now. Okay, so let's say I'm going green. No, 3-point fade is better now. Now some advanced things you have to do for the rendering to make it look good, even better. So what you can do, you can just go to, these are your colors. So if you double click on your colors, it will come like this. So whatever you want to change in the advanced, also in the surface finning, if you want to do something, so in the color and mapping also, so whatever you want to change, you can change in the advanced. I will show you one example. Let's say this galvanized sheet. I will go to the advanced surface finish, and I have so many options to make it in look like a real life operations. Like if I say the null, so in the null you can just decrease the null angle, and I will decrease the height also. Okay, so as you can see how beautiful it looks, just as the real life. I don't have any extrude cuts over here. So for this kind of design, some guys I have seen, they are doing the extrude cuts and all, but without compromising your material and surfaces and lace operation. So you can use this surface finish option, which is very, very good, I think. Also brush, it looks way better. Okay, and diamond plate, there are many more. You can just explore by your own. Now if you want to change the angle of the light, the shadow, so those things which is here only. So these are the backgrounds I applied right now. So background is softbox and 3-point beige. It is selected. Now in you can go to the lights. If you want to add new lights, the directional, spot, point lights, or sunlight. If I want to add, you can just go to sunlight, and you have to change the timeline. Okay, so whatever the date is and time of the day, accordingly it will reflect on this CAD model, right? So you can say the attitude and latitude and length of the day, every detail will be like this. What is your location, everything will be here. So accordingly you can just change the lights also, and north, if you select any planar face, accordingly it will adjust. So you can just see I have southern face, so accordingly it will give the lights, right? So if you want to go to the advanced, so it will create the haze, or sun diameter. If you want to increase, you can increase. Okay, and you can set the color also. So this is very better option for adding the lights. So if you want to project the car, you can just make a circle down the car, and on the upper side you can just add a spotlight to make it look very monster, right? So this is Godzilla. So I think you must try that. And also the ambient light, add spotlight I have gone through. Okay, you can just explore it by yourself only, and you can just add a camera if you want to render from that camera or make a video. So accordingly you can make like this. If you want to change this, change the point, let's say I'm changing the point and my camera should be like this. So accordingly you can just you can adjust from here also and from here also. I think it will be great if you adjust from here, because it is very accurate, right? Whatever angle you want, so it will be very accurate from the from this perspective. So while you are rendering, you can just select your this camera, and you can just snap however you want, and yeah, that's all. So I'll be uploading very good monster renderings on my Instagram page soon, and let's see how you will do it. And if you want to buy this CAD model, you can DM me on Instagram as well. So yeah, you can just point the target, the position by selection also you can do. And this is the spherical Cartesian. Accordingly you can just input the value if you have, and if you don't want field of view as a perspective, so you can untick this. I will keep it as a perspective because it looks good in the rendering also. And yeah, you can just, yeah, aspect ratio also you can change. So 16:9 it will be my ratio. Okay, so yeah, so I added also. And if you want to do a walkthrough, you can just add that. Okay, if you want to, if I want to walk through from this side, okay, start walkthrough. So I will just face this model because it is very difficult to from the mouse as well. I will select the walkthrough, and you have to just select the better clear selection for now, which is the planar surface. So start walkthrough. Okay. So if you can see, yeah, now I will start walking like this. If you have made very beautiful home now, then you can just take a feel however you are walking in the like in the door, and you can just take a feel of your house if you have a VR technology with you. So you can just click the escape to, and you can also generate the video recordings, motion control you can add also. So motion blur is also there for cherry on the cake right now. Okay, so this is how you can just do the wonders, and you can, okay, I have and render tools I have. So accordingly you can just do a final render. If I click on the final render, and this might be asking me, okay, my camera has been default for now. So as you can see, I have not applied any environmental situation, that's why it look like this. But and it is very lower resolution, with very lower resolution. That's why if I do all the settings, so it will come better, right? So now I want to delete this camera for now. Delete. Okay. Okay, that's all. These are some basic appearance techniques you must know before going into the rendering. So in future, I will tell you the rendering techniques to make very high quality images. Like I have created a 1 GB images also from this kind of renders. I have done McLaren and many more, Koenigsegg also. So you can just check out on Instagram how I have done it, and it took around more than 2 days to complete the render. So uh, the environment and appearance you adding more, then your time will be very high. Okay, so computational time will be very high. So yeah, you can just try out this appearance techniques. These are very basic in SolidWorks. So yeah, that's all for the video, and keep supporting, keep learning. Okay, I will keep bringing this kind of fun videos with you, and also it will gain some knowledge also. So keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you so much.